Monica Magoo from Diet Point. I'm the Chief Nutritionist at Diet Point. Today in this video we are going to be discussing which type of garlic to buy. Now we all know garlic is very good for health, and we tend to Google so many home remedies and we use garlic. But today let us discuss which garlic you should buy, and secondly how to use it, how much to use it, and how it helps your health, right? So apart from weight loss, थोड़ी देर के लिए let's forget about weight loss, but in general whatever you are using in the kitchen should be the right product. So generally when we go to a supermarket or even the local market these days, you will find garlic like this, packed very beautifully, and this garlic is very white if you go to see. Okay, there are no signs of anything that is rotten or something which is not clean. So this is beautifully white. Okay, when we buy this garlic, you may see that it has a slight bland taste, not very pungent taste of garlic, whereas there is something called as something like this garlic. Okay, now here if you see, there is some black fungus. Okay, and if you open this garlic and you peel it, it would be fine, or it would be slight yellowish from some ends, so just trim those ends. But why not buy this garlic? This garlic is treated with chlorine to make it white. Both the garlics are same, but this garlic is not treated with any chemicals, and that is why it is you can say call it organic. And this one is the same garlic, but it is treated with methyl bromide, with chlorine. Now these substances are very bad because we use garlic for something. Garlic has an active compound which is called as allicin, which is responsible for lowering our blood pressure, which is responsible for clearing our cholesterol and so many other things, and that is why garlic should be used, isn't it? But if you buy this garlic, allicin is already destroyed, तो एलिसिन का तो आपको कोई फायदा नहीं मिलता है. प्लस यू टेक केमिकल्स लाइक methyl bromide, you take chemicals like chlorine, and it looks very good. You keep it on your tabletop for months, it will not go bad. So the whole purpose of treating this garlic with chemicals is that it should not go bad for months and months, and we can use it later. Plus this garlic is not treated, so has much more effective compounds than this. Also this is cheaper. Why? Because we feel it is dirtier, nobody buys it, isn't it? So this is very cheap also, and this is very healthy also. So never go for garlic which is so clean and so white. Okay, because it is added with chemicals, plus it has also the allicin, which is the compound jiske liye we eat garlic, is destroyed in this because of the treatment. Okay, how to take garlic is second more important thing. Now what you could do is, most of us what we do is we make ginger garlic paste and keep it in the fridge. Now when you do that, again the efficiency of garlic is reduced, or in fact allicin after 7-8 days is completely gone. So never buy paste, ginger garlic paste from the market and use it in the curries. Never do that. Just crush the garlic very fresh and then use in your sabzis and curries. It is still better. Now if you want to really help yourself with blood pressure, or you want to really lower your cholesterol levels, or you are somebody who is not able to sleep well, or you just want to have the best maximum benefits of garlic, then eat it raw. So there are many ways. Now people, you could eat just 2 cloves of it every single day, just 2 cloves, and crush them very well, or you could crush them very well and just gulp it down with a glass of water. You could take saunf after that if you feel that your mouth is smelling, or you could crush it and boil 100 ml of hot water, or warm water, and just mix it and gulp it down. Now second thing that you could do is just peel the garlic put it in the water, keep it overnight, and drink the water next day morning. Now there is something also called as garlic pickle, which our dadis and nanis were making. So they would crush the garlic, add a lot of oil, add a lot of salt, so that the garlic doesn't go bad. You can include garlic pickle in your diet. There is something which I have also tried recently, and which is garlic and honey. Lot of people are not able to eat garlic because of its pungent smell. So when you ferment anything, like we ferment dosa, idli, and it is very good for health because it gives you good bacteria. So even when you ferment garlic with honey, that also is very good for your health. It will give you probiotics, which are like very good for your gut health. So what you have to do is just peel all the garlic, fill it in a jar, a small jar, okay. Now pour honey into it, organic honey, whatever you feel is good for you, okay. We will come to which honey to buy maybe sometime shortly. So pour honey in the bottle, okay, and don't put the lid very tight. Now keep this bottle for at least 20-21 days and keep opening the jar after every 2-3 days, so that you let the gas go out, okay. Now this fermented honey garlic is very tasty. The garlic becomes a little sweeter and gives you the best probiotic, rather than buying those probiotics from the market, which are again added with lot of preservatives. You do this for the probiotic effect. Garlic will also help you clean your arteries of cholesterol. It will help you have a better sleep at night if you are somebody who is not able to sleep, because of the nitric oxide compounds in the garlic. It relaxes your muscles, okay. Similarly, it relaxes your internal arteries, and that is why it can help lower your blood pressure. So I hope I'm making some sense here. Always buy the right garlic. Don't go for something which is shinier. Go for something which is not shinier, because that shows that that product is not being treated. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me reach 1000 mark. I want to do a lot of live sessions. Thank you so much for watching.